Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing the new Apple TV 4K with Wi-Fi and Ethernet. This just came out, new model for 2022. Here's the packaging. This just came out this past weekend, so just copped it. 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi and Ethernet. And I know some people are like, why do you need this if you have a smart TV? But this makes the experience much better, much smoother than the software on smart TVs like the one I have. Here we go. Wow. Look at this. Apple TV 4K 2022. What's this for? PO4. What was this? Okay, maybe just to protect the bottom, I guess, but excuse me, a little excessive. What's this for? Ooh, HDMI. Wow. Whoa, oh, power, Ethernet, cool. Just have the Ethernet option and 128 gigabytes. All right, that's Apple TV. Let's check this out. Okay. What's in here? What's in here? Ooh, is this some sticker? You all know how much I love the stickers. What's this? Ah, no sticker. Tricksters. Okay. Regulatory, all that good stuff. Let's check this out. Excuse me, guys. Have the sniffles. All right. I think this is just the power cord. Oh, see. Wow. All right. So, power cord. Nothing special here. Let's check out the new remote. I think there's something special with the new remote. It has Siri enabled in it. So that's cool. Oh, tore it up. How do you? All right, YOLO. Just tear it up. Siri enabled on this new remote. That's pretty cool. Power button. It's a nice sturdy remote. It's really nice. And check it out. Boom. USB-C. So looks like they're moving the Apple TV remote to USB-C, so maybe we'll see more of that in the future. All right, that's it. Apple TV Plus 4K. Let's go. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.